How to run TeamViewer on your PC. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run TeamViewer on your PC. Let's get started. If you haven't installed TeamViewer yet, start by downloading it from the official website. Simply go to www.teamviewer.com, click on Download for free, and follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your PC. To run TeamViewer, double-click the TeamViewer icon on your desktop. Once TeamViewer is open, you'll see the main interface. This is where you can connect to another device by entering its ID. To start a remote session, enter the ID of the device you want to connect to in the Partner ID field and click Connect. If prompted, enter the password for that device. You'll then be able to control the remote device from your PC. For a smoother experience, you can adjust the settings. Click on Extras in the menu bar and then Options. Here you can configure settings like Start with Windows, Connection Quality, and Security Preferences. When you're done using TeamViewer, you can close the application by clicking the X in the top right corner. If you want to keep it running in the background, simply minimize it instead. And that's how you run TeamViewer on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.